Mastering inversion in conditional sentences. Hello there, English language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of English grammar, inversion in conditional sentences. We've all encountered conditional sentences, those if statements that allow us to speak about possibilities. But did you know there's a way to make these sentences even more elegant and concise? That's where inversion comes in. Inversion in conditional sentences is a sophisticated way to construct your if sentences. Instead of starting with if, we begin with the auxiliary verb, followed by the subject. This change in word order is called inversion. Let's take an example. Standard: if I had enough time, I would write a book. Inverted: had I enough time, I would write a book. These two sentences mean exactly the same thing. The only difference is in the structure. You might be wondering, why use inversion in conditional sentences? There are a few reasons for this. 1. Efficiency. Inverted sentences are often more concise than their standard counterparts. They allow you to convey the same meaning with fewer words. 2. Emphasis. Inversion can help to emphasize the condition, or if, part of your sentence. This can make your writing more impactful. 3. Formality and style. Inversion in conditional sentences is often seen in formal or literary contexts. Using inversion can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your English. Remember, while it's not necessary to use inversion all the time, understanding how and when to use it can greatly enrich your English language skills. The best way to master inversion in conditional sentences is through practice. Start by taking regular if sentences and trying to invert them. Remember, not every sentence will work with inversion, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. For example, standard: if you should need help, don't hesitate to ask. Inverted: should you need help, don't hesitate to ask. And that's our quick introduction to inversion in conditional sentences. Inversion isn't just about grammar rules. It's also a powerful tool for making your English more concise, impactful, and sophisticated. As with anything in language learning, practice is key. So go ahead and give inversion a try in your own sentences. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you on your journey to mastering English. Stay tuned for more grammar tips, and until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.